and especially to the Diary of Volcano. Today, we're gonna explain and interpret to you how the different types of volcano are formed. So everyone, let's welcome our volcanic friends. So the first one is we have Sheila, the shield volcano. Sheila is a wide, gently sloping volcano and formed by the eruption of highly fluid and low viscosity lava. Sheila is formed over hotspot or divergent phase boundaries, where magma rises from deep within the earth. The lava is very fluid, so it spreads out rapidly, solidifies. So that's the reason why Sheila is so broad and not very steep. Or in Tagalog, hindi matarik si Sheila because the lava tend to move faster and can cover 1,000 square kilometers. So you can actually Sheila in a places like Hawaii. Aloha Sheila! Coco is also known as stratovolcano. It formed at convergent plate boundaries subducts beneath the continental plate. Coco experiences both explosive eruption and quieter lava flows. The explosive eruption produces ash, pumice, and tephra, while the quieter eruption produces viscous lava flows. Each eruption adds new layer to the volcano. The alternating layers of lava, ash and tephra, can create a complex internal structure. This layering is what gives compo of its name. Composite in Tagalog, pinagsama-sama. Am I right, Compo?
Yes, you're right.
Compo is actually famous in Japan because we can see her as Mount Fuji. Now, let's tackle the cinder cone volcano. Sin is described as small, steep-sided volcanoes that form from tephra, ash, and volcanic rocks ejected during explosive eruption. Sin eruption is when gas-charged magma reaches the surface and the pressure is released, causing the gases to escape violently. This explosive release throws lava fragments, ash, and other volcanic materials into the air. Sin eruptions are usually short-lived but can be quite dramatic. Sin cones are relatively small, usually ranging to 30 to 300 meters in height and have a slope of about 30 to 40 degrees. An example of sin is Paricutin in Mexico, which erupted and cooled between 1943 and 1952. So that's all our presentation.